Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for my new video updates. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a trifold ladies wallet out of an old jeans. It's quite simple and very easy to make. For making this, you need an old jeans, chart paper, Fevicol, Velcro, glue gun, some decorating items, scissors, scale and a pencil. These are the measurements that I took for making this. You guys can take your own measurements, but please try not to distort the proportion. So let's get started. First, cut out the patterns. Trace the patterns onto the jeans. You should trace 2 of each. One should have an outer offset of 1 cm, so we can wrap it at the edge to get a finished look. Similarly, cut all the patterns. Now wrap the cutouts with the fabric. This will be the base of the wallet. Now fold the base and the pouches according to the design given. Using glue, attach each pouch to the base according to the design given. If you guys want, you can add this pouch to the back side of the wallet. It's totally optional. Now attach Velcro for closing the coin pouch and the wallet. I decorate the wallet using pom-poms and some jewelry beads. And I use glue gun to give some highlights. You guys can decorate it according to your interest. So here is the final product. I have already made one using black jeans. Which one you guys like the most? The black one or the blue one? Please comment below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.